Hamilton Crossing 1 versus Tammy Evans. Oh, everybody waving at each other. Oh no, watch her. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name? Oh, whoa. Thanks. No.
It's on social media.
All right. And let's see, where are we on this? You had indicated there were certain repair issues for you.
Yes, sir.
Did those get addressed at all, or where are we? So they didn't get addressed. Nobody came over, or what?
Hey.
Wow. Okay.
That the bedroom window leaks, and then what's going on with the dishwasher? Is it just it's not working, or
It's not working, and it's full of water, and it's a smell come from it, and the washing machine and the dryer. It's messed up.
Wait, I had
The washing machine.
here before, it was the bedroom window. There was then the washer and dryer
And dishwasher.
and the dishwasher.
Yes. That's it.
And I think when we did that, because we were on Zoom at the time, that Mr. Fink was going to try, I think he was here,
Yes.
going to try to get somebody over there, but nobody's come over yet.
No, sir.
All right.
Your Honor,
All right. What do you have as the,
balance currently $927.
okay.
Um,
So,
$927.
so she's paid quite a bit. I mean, she paid, because I had that she was going to pay $1,500 by Monday. That would have brought her into $2,000 range, but she's obviously made another kind of pay.
Your Honor, the balance that I have is $927. It looks like there was on the 8th. I'm gonna have to. I don't have the ledger that we had that date, but I will follow up. Does the 927 sound right to you, or does it sound lower than what you would?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I just want to be able to pay what I owe.
Right.
Hang on. So here's what you told me. So last time we were here, the balance that was given, including court costs, was $3,687. She had indicated she was going to pay $1,500 by Monday.
That is correct. And
I paid
Did you do
it.
that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, she did that.
so I don't know what the discrepancy is, Your Honor, but obviously the balance that on this ledger on May 8th is different than what
Right.
we would have had last week. And so what
Gotcha.
I do is I don't know if this is it subsidized, the rent subsidized.
Okay, so that might have been it, like a payment came or something.
Yeah, that might be.
Okay, got it.
Double check though.
Okay, so I'm going to adjourn it out a week. I want these repairs done. Because as I recall, she told me the last time, she's been living with these for a while now. She asked that they be done, and I'm not saying that they can fix them all right away, but somebody needs to get over there and check on them. And so I want that done before we come back next week. So I'm going to adjourn you out. What? Yes, ma'am. No, it's okay.
I can't come in person because I get off work at 1. I work 5 a.m. to 1. So I can't unless it's later.
Your Honor, do you want
So
to?
you don't want to see me?
I love to see you.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No, I'm not.
Ah,
People are offending me all over the place today.
I don't want you to be offended.
All right. I know. All right. So you get off of work at 1.
5 to 1. I work 5 to 1.
Do you want to adjourn it out 2
2 weeks. Okay. I'll do this for you. Okay. 29th,
Okay,
2026 at 2 p.m. Will that work better for you?
sir,
All right.
dated.
See, I can be nice. All right.
Oh, nice.
You take care. You have a great weekend. All righty.
Tenant, a landlord, and a list of repairs nobody came to fix. Tammy Evans has been living with a leaking bedroom window, a broken dishwasher full of standing water, and a washing machine that doesn't work for months. She's paid down her balance. She showed up, and the judge noticed. Watch how this one ends.
Courthouse case, People versus Alan Fuqua.
Ready, Ron.
Over for the piece of area.
Morning. Morning, I'm Robert J. Kill on behalf of Mr. Fuqua. Approaching podium. Fuqua. Judge, I was just appointed, but I did meet with Mr. Fuqua yesterday for a good hour and a half. I know what the situation is. I have all discovery. Want to
Have it all?
want to set this for exam.
All right. People have their witnesses available the second? All right.
Judge, may I address bond?
Yes. Preliminary examination in this matter will be set for June 2nd, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Washington.
My God.
All right, go ahead, Bond.
Just very briefly, my client was driving. He had just bought this older pickup truck, did not have a plate, which was the reason for the stop. He does have a valid license. That being said, he was pulled over. He was cooperative with the police. In the back of the pickup truck, in the bed, which had a tarp covered, they found a pistol. It did not belong to my client. He did not know it was there. There was also ammunition that was not correct for that gun inside the cab, which my client admitted having. That being said, sole caretaker of his mother, actually Trinity Health, his mother's caretaker. She now lives in an apartment temporarily while the house they did live in caught on fire and is being rebuilt. All that being said, Judge, I'm asking if
Going to be an objection to release them.
There would be, the people are greatly concerned given the allegations in this case. The firearm that was found was a defensive gun.
Was what?
The gun, meaning there's no ability to track it. There could be the ability to have some additional firearms in the future. The ammo did not match the gun. That could suggest that there was an additional firearm that was not found. The ammunition that was found were hollow point bullets, meaning that they would cause grave bodily injury if they were shot at a person. The defendant was,
But not illegal. Okay, go ahead.
the defendant was an initial offender by 1988. He has 3 convictions for homosexual conduct seconds.
When was his last conviction?
2000. In 2000, he spent 18 years in prison, Judge. He's been on parole since 2018. Judge, got off. He was off parole in 2018. I'm sorry. I'm just asking for, he did show the officer that the guy did sign off on the title, just hadn't got a plate yet. I'm asking more just for leniency because he is his sole care.
Just buy the truck? Is that the deal?
Yes, Your Honor. It was a used truck. He had just bought it. Yeah, the person signed off the title. Because he's a sole caretaker of his mother who's temporarily living in an apartment while their house is being built. He's agreeable to home confinement, tether, anything the court wants to give because he's going to stay there with his mother while he takes care of her.
He's not currently on parole.
Correct.
When was his last conviction 25 years ago? Or longer than that?
Yes, Your Honor.
No information to see that it's.
Well, look at your bond form. It says he's a convicted felon, heavily assaulted, dangerous criminal history, but that so I'm trying to figure out why the magistrate set a $250,000 bond on this case. And it seems that that's the basis for it. But my understanding, at least as of now, is that was over 25 years ago. Or the conviction actually may have been before that, but 25 years ago. And he has no convictions in those 25 years.
I'm being told the date was 2003, but so it would be.
Okay, so 24 years ago or 20, whatever.
Judge, to be honest with the court, he was in prison for almost 15 years. He was released. He got off parole. He was paroled. He's got off.
When did he get off parole?
2018.
And hasn't had anything since.
No, Your Honor.
Where does he reside? In Ipsy?
It's temporarily, Your Honor, with he and his mother would be staying at, I think, what's the address? 910 Maplewood, apartment 2, while they're home on what street?
789 Calder.
Calder's being rebuilt, Your Honor, which should be done in the next couple months.
What is his temporary address?
The temporary address is
910.
No, who's there?
just his mother.
So that's his mother's address.
Correct. And he's a caretaker for her, being paid by Trinity Health. I dropped a piece of paper.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I set it for exam on the 2nd. I'm going to release the defendant on a $25,000 personal recognizance bond. However, a condition of that bond is he's to be placed on a home confinement GPS tether.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay? Soon as you won't be released today. Then you have to stay at your mom's place, okay? All right, you take care and we'll.
A ghost gun, hollow point bullets, and a convicted felon who hasn't been in trouble for over 25 years. The magistrate set bond at $4 million. But this judge saw something different: a man who just bought a used truck, takes care of his sick mother, and has stayed clean since 2018. And the bond dropped to $25,000 with GPS tether. Was that the right call? Drop your answer in the comments, smash that like button, share this with someone who needs to see it, and subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.